Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Aires del Mayab. So we start off with, we have A, F, A. And remember, all the Fs are natural. So instead of saying F natural every time, I'm just going to say F. A, F, A, G. An extension for that C. And then continue. G, A, F. Then we have C, A, F, A. Now we're going to shift into third position. We have G to C. A scale with some chromatic notes. We have C, B natural, B flat, A, and then I go back to first position, G, F. So all of that measure. Then with our bows, we have the exact same thing. Then the voice comes in. Re, bo, so, re, un. We have C to C. Second position, where that C natural is, and then on the E string, that fourth finger. Again. Then a little scale. F, G, A, B, C, D. Then D, B, F, B, D. Continue, same thing. De mi vaquería. Then a quick tempo change. Here at the Allegro, we have D, C, B flat. Okay, and a little bit of that swung rhythm that we use in mariachi, we call caballito. Don't make it too exaggerated. A little bit caballito. Okay, be careful with this measure right here. B, 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 C, D, C, A. Then it repeats, D, C. Repeats the exact same. Now this scale. E, F, G, A, B, C. A, B, C, D, E, F. C, D, E, F, G. A. E, F, G, A, B, C. And I like to shift up to third position for A, B, C. Nice and slow, that whole scale. And then the singer holds out mucha for however long they want. We have to listen to when they say the word bonita. As soon as they get to the N, boni, right on that nita, that's beat 1 of the measure right before we come in. So they say muchacha, bo, 1, 2, 3. Ba, 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 ba. We come in for the next part, okay? And that next part is A, G sharp, A, B flat, A, C, C, B natural, C, D, C, F, F, E, F, G, F, A, G sharp, A, B flat, A, and I like to slide up to the C. Okay, next part. D, F, B, C, F, A, G, E, and then piano. We just have A, C, A, C, B flat, C, D, F, D, F, C. So that part, C, D, C, C, E, and then a scale down, D, C, B, A, G, F. And we slur those last two. Again, all that. And then it repeats, now forte. Here on this last part, we keep those last notes separate. And then, third position, D, C, D. Then I jump up to fifth position. Still the same notes, D, C, D. And F. So now after the ole, we have the notes are F, F, E, G, E, C, D, B, A, B, C. Again, just that. Then D, C, B, C, B, C, A, B, C, D, C, a little scale down, E, D, C, B, A, G, F. And we slur those last two. Then we go back to the same notes. Piano. Forte. Then repeat back to the scale. And then the same thing again. The singer takes a big breath. Mucha. And they hold it out as long as they can. And we're listening for bonita. So they hold out. Muchacha. Bonita. Again, you're listening for that N. When they say boni, right on that N, you're counting 1, 2, 3, and that's your entrance. And then we have the same thing, D, F, B flat, C, F, A, G. So the ending, we have F natural, F, E, F, G, A. One, two, three, with that little caballito, okay? And then up, down. C, F. All right, I hope that was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.